Hey there, home bakers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Delicious and Healthy Treats. Today, I've got an incredible treat for you, a no-bake honey mousse cake that's both healthy and absolutely delicious. This dessert is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family gathering, a special celebration, or just a sweet treat for yourself. This recipe is a game changer, especially for those who want to whip up something impressive without turning on the oven. No more worrying about preheating or baking times. This cake is all about simplicity and flavor. So let's dive right in. Gather all your ingredients and get ready to create a masterpiece. First things first, let's talk about the crust. The crust is the foundation of our cake, and it's crucial to get it just right. You'll need 1.5 cups of almond flour, which gives the crust a nice nutty flavor and a great texture. Add 1/2 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut. This adds a subtle sweetness and a bit of chewiness to the crust. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. This helps bind everything together and adds a lovely coconut aroma. And don't forget 2 tablespoons of honey. This natural sweetener not only enhances the flavor, but also helps to hold the crust together. Mix these all together in a bowl until you get a nice crumbly texture. Make sure everything is well combined. Then, press this mixture into the bottom of a spring-form pan. Use the back of a spoon or your fingers to press it down firmly and evenly. Pop it in the fridge to set while we make the mousse. This will give the crust time to firm up and hold its shape. Now, onto the star of the show, the honey mousse. This mousse is light, airy, and packed with flavor. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is thick, creamy, and adds a nice tang to the mousse. Add 1 cup of heavy cream. This will make the mousse rich and fluffy, and 1/3 cup of honey. This will sweeten the mousse naturally and give it a beautiful honey flavor. Whip this mixture until it's light and fluffy. You want to incorporate as much air as possible to get that perfect mousse texture. To give it a bit of extra flavor and stability, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a lovely aroma and enhances the overall taste, and a tablespoon of gelatin powder. This is crucial for setting the mousse and giving it that perfect sliceable texture. Make sure the gelatin is fully dissolved for that smooth, creamy texture. You don't want any lumps in your mousse. Once your mousse is ready, gently fold in 1/2 cup of fresh berries. You can use any berries you like: strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or a mix. This not only adds a burst of color but also a refreshing taste to every bite. The berries provide a nice contrast to the creamy mousse. Pour the mousse mixture over your chilled crust, smoothing the top with a spatula. Make sure it's even and smooth. Place the cake back in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or until it's fully set. This will give the mousse time to firm up and develop its flavors. While you're waiting, let's talk garnish. Garnishing is where you can get creative and add your personal touch. I love to top this cake with a drizzle of honey. It adds a beautiful shine and an extra touch of sweetness. A handful of toasted nuts adds a nice crunch and a bit of savory flavor to balance the sweetness. And a few extra fresh berries. They make the cake look vibrant and add a fresh, juicy element. It makes the cake look as good as it tastes. Presentation is key, and these garnishes will make your cake look stunning. Alright, it's been a few hours, and our cake is ready to go. Carefully remove it from the spring-form pan. Place it on your serving plate and get ready to impress your guests. Add your garnishes, and there you have it, a stunning no-bake honey mousse cake that's healthy, easy to make, and sure to impress. This cake is a showstopper and will definitely be a hit. So next time you're craving something sweet but don't want to heat up the kitchen, give this recipe a try. It's perfect for hot summer days or anytime you want a light, refreshing dessert. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. The combination of creamy mousse, crunchy crust, and fresh berries is simply irresistible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. We have plenty of healthy and tasty treats coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy baking. Enjoy your no-bake honey mousse cake and share it with your loved ones.